Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Pablo Cherry Joy. So, ang aking performance task po, number 1, what is the main environmental problem or issue? So, yung napili ko po is mining's devastating impact in Rio Tuba. So, number 2, what laws related or relevant to the problem or issue? So, yung relevant to the problem niya is Philippines Mining Act of 1995, Republic Act No. 7942. This act governs mining operation in the Philippines. It includes provision for environmental protection, social development, and community relation. However, weaknesses in enforcement and loopholes have allowed environmental damage to occur. The Act's requirements for environmental impact assessment and financial or surety bans are crucial, yet their effectiveness in preventing damage at Rio Tuba is questionable based on the report issue. So, number 3, what are the negative impacts or consequences of the environmental problem or issue? Are there also positive impacts? So, ito po yung negative impacts niya for mining in Rio Tuba. Is nag-iisa po dito yung water pollution, unsafe levels of hexavalent chromium, non-carcinogen, have been found in waterways. This contamination poses serious risks to human health and the ecosystem. And isa din po dito yung environmental degradation, health issue, and last, violation of indigenous. So, ang positive impacts naman po is economic contribution, rehabilitation efforts, and community development. Then, question number 4. What solution or mitigating measure can you propose to solve or resolve the problem or issue? Or how can you enhance the positive impacts? So, sa Rio Tuba nestled in the heart of Palawan, Philippines, exemplifies the complex relationship between economic development and environmental preservation. While mining has undeniable contribute to the region's economic growth, its devastating environmental impacts necessitate urgent and comprehensive mitigation strategies. This issue will explore solutions in mitigating measures to address the challenges posed by mining in Rio Tuba, focusing in environmental rehabilitation, community engagement, and the adaptation of responsible mining practices. So, yung number 4, what your key takes or learning insight from the article, news on documentary. So, in Rio Tuba emphasized the need for more holistic and sustainable approach to mining, prioritizing environmental protection, community well-being, and responsible resource management. The experience of Rio Tuba served a stark reminder of the potential consequences of unsustainable mining practices and underscores the urgent need for transformative change within industry.